Hi beautiful, welcome, and this is my first video for the year. So in this video I'm going to be doing a simple lip combo tutorial using purple lipstick and nude lipstick. First of all, I'm going to be using my black Davis pen eye pencil to outline the corners of my lip, and I'm going to mob it out and use my fingers to blend it in, because when applying our lip products we want our application to be seamless and not look like where we can see the end and starting of every product being applied. Okay, so here I am rubbing it out and outline the outer corners again. To my satisfaction, you can do yours to be less obvious. Next, I'm going to be applying my purple lipstick. Now this product dries fast, so I have to be quick with it, because if it dries fast there's no way to correct it. Yeah. And next, I'm going to mob it together, blend it together by rubbing my lips together, and I'm going to add my nude lipstick. And this product is quite watery, but it doesn't dry fast, so I can be comfortable working with it, adjusting etc without stress. Because if it dries fast, it's going to be quite a disaster, but you're going to see. So after applying my nude lipstick, I take out my little brush to blend out the outer corners of the three lip combo to make it look seamless, and we don't want to see any harsh lines on the lip before I apply my lip gloss, because it's going to stand out so bad and it's going to look unprofessional. So I'm blending it out to make it look like the colors is being mixed without any harsh lines. Okay, I added a little bit of nude again to make it stand out. Yeah, and this is very simple. You can try this with other colors. I'm going to be posting videos of lip combo with other colors, so please do well to like, subscribe, follow and comment. I'm going to be dropping videos on hair care, makeup, etc. So please do well to follow for more updates on hair and beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the final look. I don't know, I think I love both Matt's look and the one with lip gloss. All right.